Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be starting our new chapter, which is fraction. So please open your book and let's start this chapter. Subhas had learnt about fraction in class 4th and class 5th. So whenever possible, he would try to use fractions. One occasion was when he forgot his lunch at home. His friend Farida invited him to share her lunch. She had 5 puris in her lunch box. So Subhas and Farida took 2 puris each. Then Farida made 2 equal halves of the fifth puri and gave one half to Subhas and took the other half herself. Thus, both Subhas and Farida had 2 full puris and one half puri. Where do you come across situations with fraction in your life? Subhas knew that one half is written as half. While eating, he further divided his half puri into 2 equal parts and asked Farida what fraction of the whole puri was the piece. You can see in figure 7.1. Without answering, Farida also divided her portions of the half puri into 2 equal parts and kept them beside Subhas said. She said that these 4 equal parts together make one whole. So each equal part is 1/4 of one whole puri and 4 parts together will be 4 by 4 or one whole puri. When they ate, they discussed what they had learned earlier. 3 parts out of 4 equal parts is 3 by 4. Similarly, 3 by 7 is obtained when we divide a whole into 7 equal parts and take 3 parts. You can see it in figure 7.3. For 1 by 8, we divide a whole into 8 equal parts and take 1 part out of it. Farida said that we have learned that a fraction is a number of representing part of whole. A whole may be a single object or group of objects. So what is a fraction? Fraction represent equal parts of a whole or a collection. Fraction of a whole, when we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. Or we can say a fraction means a part of a group of a region. 5 by 12 is a fraction. We read it as 5/12. What does 12 stand for? It is the number of equal parts into which the whole has been divided. What does 5 stand for? It is the number of equal parts which have been taken out. Here 5 is called the numerator and 12 is called the denominator. For example, one watermelon is divided into 2 equal parts. So each part is 1/2. Then one watermelon is divided into 4 equal parts. So each part is 1/4. So this is the fraction and this is the example. What you see in the picture? 3 parts out of 4 are left. So 3 by 4 part of the watermelon is left. So fraction of a collection. Fraction also represent parts of a set or collection. Let's take one more example. There are total 5 children. 3 out of 5 are girls. So the fraction of girls is 3/5 or 3 by 5. Similarly, how many are left? 2. And these 2 out of 5 are boys. So the fraction of boys is 2/5. Fraction notation. A fraction has 2 parts. The number on the top of the line is called the numerator. It tells how many equal parts of the whole or collection are taken. The number below the line is called the denominator. It shows the total divisible number of equal parts. The whole into the total number of equal parts, which are the collection. Fraction on a number line. Fraction can be represented on a number line as shown below. When you divide 2 parts, then the half will be 1 by 2. When you divide 3, then 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Similarly, you can see in the picture how in between 0 and 1 the parts are divided. Here the first circle is a whole part, which is 1, but here the next part, the half of the circle is shaded, so this is 1 by 2. Then in the next part, the one part of a circle is shaded, so it is 1 by 4. In the next part, you can see there are 3 parts of the circle are shaded, so 3 by 4. So you can see how fraction works here. By seeing a image, you can say what is the fraction notation of the image. These are a few real life examples. The most common examples of fraction from real life are equal slices of pizza, fruit cake, a bar of chocolate, etc.